The rain subsides, and the world awakens in brilliance. The spring equinox arrives. As 1,000 flowers bloom and a myriad plants flourish in vibrant display. As the fourth solar turn of spring, the spring equinox marks the season's midpoint, when the sun shines directly over the equator, bringing nearly equivalence of day and night, a perfect balance of light and shadow, symbolizing harmony in nature. During this time, nature seems to renew itself. Blossoms smile in the gentle spring breeze. Branches sway with fresh greenery, and every detail composes a symphony of life's revival. In celebration of this season of renewal, people engaging time-honored traditions, seeking traces of spring in the landscape, crafting green rice cakes infused with wild herbs, weaving delicate bamboo artifacts, and immersing themselves in local cultural practices. These rituals allow them to connect with nature, savoring the essence of spring with both body and soul. As we welcome this season of hope, let us plant the seeds of our dreams, nurture them with the vitality of spring's awakening, and look forward to the abundant harvest that autumn will bring.